It's Chef and Builder Janie Pendleton, and we're standing in the sunshine in my kitchen. Oh, it's just a beautiful day out today, and the birds are really enjoying it. You can hear them. Now, today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be packing up things and thickeners for meals that we know that we're going to be having. Remember, I told you ahead of time, take your meals and pick your lunches off what the meal was the night before, the main meal from the night before. So, for example, I've got several chicken breasts that I'm planning on putting into the pressure cooker, and then I'm going to take and have something with that night, and then I'm going to keep out a couple of chicken breasts, chop them up, and then I'll have that in my Toscano soup the next day. And then I'll have a couple more that I'm going to leave out, and we might make something like a chicken Alfredo or something like that. So all I have to do is make the pasta and the cream sauce. So what I want to do here is you can pre-make your cream sauce ahead of time in all dehydrated goods, from sour cream to, whatever. Or if it's going to be a package mix, you can pre-package everything and all your ingredients into a Ziploc baggie like this. One night we're going to have beef and noodles in the pressure cooker, so I'm bringing all the ingredients that I need in one Ziploc baggie, and then I'll label it what it's for. And I'll label the date and the night that we're going to have it. So it's going to be for the first night's dinner, so that will be for Tuesday. It's tomorrow. It'll be for Tuesday night's dinner. Because we don't arrive till after 2 o'clock, so we'll already have had breakfast, and we're just going to eat a light lunch, a sandwich of a light lunch at one of the picnic areas until we can get in, and then I'm going to put this in the crocker, and then we'll just probably eat that like within 45 minutes of getting everything set up. So we'll have dinner cooking and ready to go. We'll go to bed early, we'll wake up early, and then we'll really start our day the next day in the park. This right here is just cornstarch. That is for a soup recipe that I'm making. And I didn't want to take along any of my good scoops, any of my good measuring spoons. So I found this. It's a 3 tablespoon measuring spoon. I use this a lot when making bread. So I thought, you know what? I need 3 tablespoons exactly for the recipe. So I'm just going to dip that down in there, and then now I'm going to have a 3 tablespoon measuring spoon with me. All right, so that is my RV camping tip for the kitchen of the RV, tip of the day. All right, we love you. We're going to have a lot of fun at this next state park. We're going to be in Turkey Run. By the time you see this, we might even be on our way back from Turkey Run, because there is no Wi-Fi there, and we're leaving in just a few hours. So I'm going to go to bed about 8 o'clock, 8:30 tonight, and we're going to wake up probably around 6. I just want to make sure we get plenty of good sleep, because we still have to, we got propane today, but we still have a lot of other things to do. So, because we get our groceries in the morning and then pack everything down with ice. And it's not that far of a way, the drive's not that far away, but check-in's not until 2 o'clock in our state parks. So that's where we're at. We have a few plastic containers here that we can fill up with gluten-free flours or anything that you might need on the go, or you could even slip something like this down inside a plastic container with a bell lid. I just find that these just take up a lot less room stacked inside that small amount of cabinetry that I have to deal with. All right, we'll be right back with more packing tips, especially for the kitchen, when we return.